Wait, how far is it? Oh. Yeah.
Yours or mine or both?
I'm scared.
Cut it in half, cut it in half.
That was good fun, dude.
What?
T-bar. Cheers! It's my first time wearing makeup in like over a week. I'm going out. We're going to Muno. I've already been 3 times because I love it. Very like clean, kind of like a modern twist on traditional Korean food, but it's really good. And I want to take Michelle because this type of food is like right up her alley. She's gonna love it. So we're gonna go eat at Muno, come home early and get some rest.
What's the right?
Oh, I look so pretty in this angle right now.
When your YouTube video? Take a photo after sugar you took a bite.
How is it? You gotta get it in
mix
the
it all.
Yeah, it's really good.
Good?
It's good, right?
Real good. I think the mix it with the powder is like... I'm so lactose. Perfect.
Oh yeah. I don't get the professional camera. Where we're ending our Saturday night. Yay! So I'm starting my diet next week.
Name bath for chicken.
So I just got a text that my Amazon Prime delivery is here. I ordered a bunch of Britney Spears t-shirts because next week I'm going to a bowling themed birthday party, and me and my friends, we decided to name our team the Britney Spares. So we bought a bunch of t-shirts to kind of fix them up, cover the Spears part with spares. Super cute idea. Thought of by yours truly. Let's go see what they look like. final product. I feel like a little girl in these little ponytail thingies. We're gonna go off to the bowling themed birthday bar crawl now. This is so cute. Oh. Yeah. See y'all there.
Oh no, and there's beef, yeah. Beef, tofu and beef? Yeah.
I want chunks.
Eat it like with the rice.
But like,
so
not
good,
just one big chunk. Yeah, so did she check it? We're going to go eat home, which is K Barbecue Omakase. Is that what it's called?
What?
Korean Barbecue Omakase. Our first time there. So let's go there.
Yeah, thank you.
This is going to be sourced from Jack's Creek in Australia as well.
Yes, so this is your first of your meat courses. There will be a few more products. I forget. New boxes we have. Sure, so we got two. One is a Syrah. The garnacha is a little more light on cereal. It's really delicious. I like it with the sort of meat courses, but if you want to pull it off.
We prepared both the rib eye and that smaller